what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kat. I am a mom of 3, wife, and hairstylist from Ontario, Canada, and over here on my channel, guys, is where you are going to find all the motivation you need to clean and tackle any chore on your to-do list. And for today's video, I'm going to be starting off here in my living room, and we are tackling all the main high traffic areas on my main floor, including the living room, the toy room, the kitchen, the table where everything happens, including virtual learning. So there's always a mess over there. And I'm going to be cleaning up the front hall here in Canada. Of course, we have snow and there is just salt everywhere. I do want to say, well, I was cleaning up my front hall today and cleaning up all the salt in the front. I couldn't help but think of all of the people down in Texas that are dealing with basically catastrophes. So sending all our love and prayers down to them. I couldn't even imagine. So here in Canada, we're always prepped. We know we have everything we need. Something like this doesn't happen there ever. So thoughts and prayers are sending out to you guys. We have nothing else to do, guys, here, but we got to get cleaning. This place needs to get tidy. The girls need to get to bed. Chris, Andrew, everybody was kind of helping me out, which was huge because I've been back to work. Woohoo! We are out of lockdown in the region that I live in, and being a hairstylist and people not getting their hair done for months and months, I have been so crazy. So I have been MIA. That's what I've been doing. I'm sorry. I'm back. I'm going to be trying to post as much content as I can for you guys because I love it and it's something that I really enjoy to do. So give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join my family. And guys, there's nothing else to do but let's get cleaning. me standing so tall. With your love, ain't gonna fall. Because you see me right through it all. With your love. With your love. Down my heart. Break down my walls. You know you got me standing so tall. With your love, ain't gonna fall. Because you see me right through it all. With your love. With your love. Down my heart. I won't say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind? 'Cause I don't think we're finished.